Is the Pramerica Life Saral pension plan genuinely the simple and secure retirement solution it claims to be, or just another product masking minimal growth behind guaranteed income? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual general annuity savings plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are: you get to make a one-time payment and enjoy a guaranteed regular income throughout your retirement, and you have the option to provide a guaranteed income for your spouse even after your lifetime, and there is 100% return of the purchase price to your nominee upon the death of the annuitant, and there are flexible payout options as well, and you have higher annuity rates available for large purchase amounts. So loan facilities are available, and there is no medical test required to buy this plan. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are some advantages like the loan facility may be available anytime after 6 months from the policy commencement date, and there are multiple annuity payment modes available. You also get enhanced annuity rates for higher premium bands, and there is a return of purchase price to the nominee which serves as a lasting legacy. So simple one-time investment with no ongoing payment obligations is also considered to be advantageous. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like the annuity income is taxable as per your applicable income tax slab rate. The plan can be surrendered only upon diagnosis of a critical illness listed in the policy brochure. So there is no provision for a step-up annuity option to increase income over time. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So here, just for example purpose for calculation, let us assume that a 60-year-old male has invested 25 lakhs and opts for annuity annual payouts under option 1 life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price. So he receives an annual income of 1.47 lakhs for life. Upon his death, 100% of the purchase price is returned to his nominee or legal heirs. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the cash flow yields an IRR of 5.80% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This return is lower than that of traditional debt instruments. For example, a bank fixed deposit offers a comparatively higher side of return. Therefore, depending solely on this policy for retirement income may not be ideal. With no inflation adjusted growth, the fixed annuity amount will gradually lose its purchasing power, making it insufficient to sustain regular expenses in the long run. Now, as we know that this policy does not give us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to first compare this policy with other fixed income instruments giving you fixed income. So here are some fixed return instrument options presented on the screen that offer guaranteed benefits for a specific period with returns fixed at the time of investment. So these can help you plan your monthly cash flow needs. So first of all, we have bank fixed deposit where you can expect a return of 6 to 7% per annum. So you can invest a lump sum for a fixed tenure at a predetermined interest rate, ensuring stable and guaranteed returns. So FDs are low risk investments suitable for conservative investors. Next, we have senior citizen savings scheme SCSS where you can expect 8.20% per annum as an expected return. So a government backed scheme for individuals aged 60 and above, offering a regular income and tax benefits. It provides high interest rates than regular savings account, has a 5-year tenure expendable by another 3 years. So we also another option is RBI floating rate savings bond. There is an expected return of 8.05% per annum. So these government issued bonds have interest rates that reset periodically based on benchmarks like the National Savings Certificate NSC rate. They offer protection against interest rate fluctuations with potentially higher returns when rates rise. While these products provide stable income, their fixed returns may not keep pace with inflation over time. To overcome this, an inflation adjusted strategy can be adopted. So what we are going to do is, instead of investing 25 lakhs in the Pramerica policy which yields you 1.47 lakhs annually for life, we are going to consider splitting the same corpus between equity and debt in a 60:40 ratio. So 15 lakhs 60% in equity for wealth creation, earning an expected 12% annual return. 10 lakhs which is 40% in debt instruments for regular income, earning around 6% annually. every 5 years the debt portion is replenished from the equity portion and the annual withdrawal increases by 6% to adjust for inflation. So this ensures that the equity component combats inflation, preserving your lifestyle. The debt component continues to fund your monthly needs. Even at age 85, you will be left with a 50 lakh corpus, which is double the return of purchase price under the Pramerica policy. The 60:40 allocation is rebalanced every 5 years with the final shift from equity to debt occurring around age 71. While this example assumes here specific returns and timelines, the ratio can be customized based on your personal risk tolerance and goals. So this approach provides inflation adjusted, flexible income and complete control over your funds, benefits that the Pramerica policy does not offer. So the key takeaway is your corpus outlives you, ensuring both financial independence and a legacy for your loved ones. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Pramerica Life Saral pension plan worth it or not? So this is a straightforward pension product offering both single life and joint life annuity options with the purchase price returned upon death. However, it lacks any distinctive features that set it apart from other pension plans, making it less suitable as a comprehensive retirement solution. Relying solely on this plan for your retirement income may not be ideal. From a return perspective, the plan delivers low yields and the fund remains locked for your lifetime. Surrender is permitted only in the case of a critical illness, limiting access to funds during emergencies. As a result, this policy falls short on both returns and liquidity, and it also has a high agent commission. A well-structured retirement plan should provide not just regular income but also step-up income that keeps pace with inflation. Moreover, the corpus should outlive you, ensuring long-term financial stability. So these objectives can only be achieved by integrating equity investments into your portfolio and periodically rebalancing them with debt.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.